Is ChatGPT going to put you out of a job? The answer is yes, and then no. This is a big one. So recently, ChatGPT launched within the last year, and everyone's talking about it. It's one of the hottest Google trends and topics, and you see big newsworthy companies, they're laying off people and they're relying on content from ChatGPT. Giant SEO companies, they're losing people. People are going to rely on ChatGPT. People are going to start writing blogs using ChatGPT, and some people are nervous. I had a call from someone around the world today, and they said, hey, I want to just open up the conversation just in case I lose my job to ChatGPT. So will it make people lose some jobs? Yes. And can you avoid that? Yes. Let's talk about it. This software it's amazing. I used it the other day, and hopefully Pete can link this video that I made on YouTube where I wrote a 30-second song in 15 seconds using ChatGPT. And it sounded pretty good. It might be a hit, and if it is, I'll probably perform it and win a Grammy Award or something like that. But going back to ChatGPT, it is probably one of the most revolutionary softwares I have seen. And recently you've heard from Google and Microsoft that they are going to make serious investments in their own ChatGPT or AI type writing tools. You've seen mostly a lot of AI writing tools have come out lately. And here's what I believe that marketers should do. Do not swim against the current, but you should ride the wave. If you are a surfer and going against the wave, you will crash. But if you ride the top of the wave, then you'll get to the shore. So learn how to use it. It is not the only tool you need. Use it as a tool. It's not the be all end all. There are some things that ChatGPT can do that humans can't do. It can actually give you things just in seconds, but it still needs the human touch. ChatGPT is nothing without the human touch or the human being able to ask it questions. I do think that it is going to be something that's going to be here to stay. I do think it's going to change our business. Do I think it will provide layoffs to some companies? Yes, I do. And I think those companies that are large and they're looking to cut a lot of expenses and revenue, I think those companies, they may feel it first. I don't hope or I don't wish that on anyone, but I think the sweet spot is going to be for those people who are under 50 employees or those agencies or marketers that are under it. So use it as a tool. It's not the only tool and it's not the only thing that you can utilize to be able to produce successful content, but you want to use it to your advantage. Use it to your advantage, but it still needs that human touch. Don't let it be 100% of what you do. Just use it almost like a walker or a cane to help assist you with content if you're going to do it. I can't come on video and tell you not to use ChatGPT because I believe it's going to double its audience. And what's happening right now, it's free. Yes, it's free right now. But what it is doing, here's the smart part about ChatGPT right now. While it's free, you are teaching it. Every time you put in something or you ask it for content or ask it to create an app or develop something, you're making it smarter is what you're doing. So of course it's going to be free. You're the best focus group that it has by being free. You're feeding it every day. And I think they said that it learned up to 2021 and it seems very accurate. But think about it when Google gets into play. And Google's actually up to date. So it's only going to get better from here. AI is the future. Technology is the future. The best thing you can do is ride the wave and embrace it.